They say only the strong survive, but in reality, it's not the strongest that survives. It is the one that is able to best adapt and adjust to the changing environment in which it finds itself.
You guys look awesome this morning.
Adapt and adjust. That's what winners do. My name is Ethan King, and I teach thousands of action takers around the world like you guys how to automate, elevate, and dominate in your industry by getting in alignment with artificial intelligence and automation. I specialize in helping high-powered leaders, change makers, and vision-driven organizations to unlock potential, spark bold action, and navigate uncertainty with confidence. In order for us to rise to that challenge, the main focus becomes our ability to adapt and to fuse human ingenuity with intelligent automation. If you don't know the tools, if you don't know how to communicate with AI, you will get left behind. That's what you should be scared of, not AI itself. Because right now, organizations that do not embrace the future will inevitably embrace failure. Real innovation isn't about chasing what's new. It's about making what works, work smarter. And the best leaders today, they're the ones designing systems that scale smoothly without burning out their people. The time is here, the tools are here, the time is now, and you guys can do this. Your brand deserves to be heard. You need to be everywhere, every day, all at once, and give your brand the exposure that it deserves.
And Ethan, what I love about you, man, and Einstein said that genius is the capacity to make the complicated simple. You helped me to learn this in a way that I'm saying, wait, I can do this myself. And it's made it easier for me to have a greater impact and to be able to leave a legacy for my children and my children's children.
Read Ethan King's book or go to a session with him, because we'll open up opportunities that you haven't thought of yet. It's a brand new world. It's a brave new world. And he's opening that new way of thinking.
When you experience my keynote, change happens immediately. You're going to learn step-by-step frameworks that you can carry with you every day of your life that will act as a catalyst for change.
Ethan King.
Ethan King.
The one and only.
He is a speaker,
Bestselling author,
CEO of multiple seven-figure brands,
an inspirational entrepreneur,
one of the most captivating voices you'll ever hear,
a hard worker.
There's not much that this guy can't do.
Please join me in welcoming Ethan King.
You're not just watching an engaging experience. You're implementing and taking action in real time. And I use storytelling and entertainment to lock in the key learning takeaways. So if you're looking for an event that will inspire, educate, entertain, and most importantly, empower your audience, your search ends here.